How to split screen on iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be iPad. So for example, you are using some application. So let me open some application for you. For example, I'm using my Chrome browser, let's say, and I want to split the screen and open my note section. So just simply take this app from the bottom of the screen and just simply size it down this much, and now take the page from the upper section and just place it at the side of the screen. Now just shutter up your menu from the bottom of the screen, and now take another application that you would want to open alongside this Chrome browser. Just simply long press on it and pinch it up to the empty side and just leave it there. And now again make the size as per your screen and just place it over here. And this is basically how you will be able to split the screen in your iPad. You can add as many screen as you want to. For example, if I want to add another screen, I just simply have to pinch and just put it right here and just adjust the size, and I can add more screen right here. I've also added my settings over here. So yeah, this is how you will be able to split screen on iPad. I hope you find this video to be helpful.